Hey guys, so it's loud. Let me roll the window up. Hold on. Bitch, it's loud as fuck out here. So anytime I'm getting ready to make some crazy changes to my business, I always reach out to you guys. I'm getting ready to have a meeting in like 5 minutes or so to look at this new space. Right now I'm in a salon suite type setup, which has been really serving me. I don't know if I'm going to get this space or if this even makes sense, but in the off chance that I do get this space, so I will let you guys know. Make changes like this. So we are pulling up to my old space because it's time to move my stuff. Standing outside of my current space. As you guys know, I rent from the salon suite and we're gonna go inside. This is how you turn on the lights. Otherwise it's dark. So as you can see, I've started to move some things. Watch this video to the end. Some stuff isn't gonna go, but a good chunk of stuff is gonna be moving along today because I do already have another table over there up. So I literally look like Who Shot John. I usually show you guys the time. This is not the time. Clock is broken. Alexa, what time is it? So that's the time. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No, I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come back for that. If it falls, which some items fell, it's okay. Ah, shit. These items. We're taking our plants, doing our plants in our stand. Let's grab it. Welcome to the future space of Skin is In, guys. Check it out. Pull up. I don't even know. We'll check on my way back home, but it's probably what, 15 minutes? Ideally with this space, this is the lobby area. Ow, I just ran into that. This is the wax room. It's a great space for waxing in my opinion, and what I love most about it is that I will not have to use it like my main space, which is here. This space is my main space. It's really exciting that I have doubled my space that I doubled before. And then I'll take you to the bathroom. This is the restroom. I still gotta make it like my own vibe, but it's cute, you know? It does. Who is that? Locks automatically. It locks automatic. Guys, today's a big day for me. I've got my pitch competition today. Just fun things for my business. So today is the day. First of all, good evening. Thank you all for being here tonight. My name is Chandali, and I am the proud founder and CEO of Skin is In, located in the heart of Wichita, Kansas. I started Skin is In really as a love letter to my younger self. All right, ready? Okay, it's me and her presenting. Go ahead. All right. Our grand prize winner. Okay guys, so we just unpacked the car and I am sitting in the lobby area or the waiting area or just the main area that you enter in for Skin Is In. I'm gonna give you guys a tour here in a second and just show you the other room and then the wax room, the restroom. And then I'm also gonna kind of show you the building so that you can kind of get a vibe. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video and there's really a lot of reasons why. So the last time I talked to you guys, I was talking to you really about things that you should know before you become an esthetician. I have a lot of updates. I have a lot of things to tell you. I don't even know where to start. This is a long video, so I have a lot to share with you. Mine is here to there, and then there's another property and then another thing, and then here's the leasing office. Which you never know whose dogs that is. To be continued. So yeah, this is where we're at. Okay guys, we are at Home Goods. We are shopping. We are looking for items for the new space. So let me show you some things that I like so far. Ooh. First of all, is this not the cutest little thing ever? Oh my god, it's so cute, but it's not practical at all. Ooh, oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, we're gonna leave our cart here. Something about it, it's just nice. This is a plant that I'm getting for the spa. I think it would be so cute by the door. Oh my god. That was so cool. Okay, you guys can't see me, but that is where the camera's gonna sit for right now. So just imagine that you can see the ground. We're gonna put some of our furniture up in the room. Take it in the wax room. Chair is in here right now, but I'm pretty set in that it's gonna go in the wax room. So we're gonna do that. out on my wax table while I'm like getting the vibe of the space figured out. But I thought this was so stinking cute. Hey guys, so I'm back. I did a couple things. I grabbed some of the stuff from the old spa and brought it on over. Okay guys, so I decided to go clean the windows, half-assed to be honest. I definitely have to circle back, but this place just needed a little dust knocked off of it, and so I went ahead and got the windows together and cleaned out some cobwebs, and I have a lot of windows. This is so different from my suite that I was renting, so I'm really just excited to create this space and make it safe and comfortable for my clients, you know, just a vibe. And I'm just kind of like, damn, look at me just growing, like this is so crazy. So I didn't say this in the beginning of the video, but if you've watched it this far, please hit the thumbs up button. Let me know that you like this video. Let me know that you like this new journey. I'm just excited to be in this position. You know, I look back at my old videos and I'm just like, wow, I've really just built a business. And so yeah, I also swept outside too. Like, I don't want anybody carrying anything in. Okay, I feel like the window definitely looks cleaner. I need to clean the inside, but girl, I'm about to go home. But that is the window that I just cleaned. That's the door. I still need to, but as you can see the street from my view. Like, that's so crazy. Let's go in here. See the same thing. And we will close the lights, and this is the vibe in here without any light. Well, you guys, that is really it for today, if I'm being honest. This is episode 1. I hope you guys like the catch up with me, and make sure you stay tuned for all of the other fun things that are coming towards my business. And yeah, I am just like freaking out. Like, you guys remember where I started? Isn't that crazy? Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Make sure you turn your notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload from me. This is a new season of Skin Is In, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So